Hey everyone! Stop opening every single video just to count the total runtime. Here's the fastest way to find the combined duration of all videos in a Windows 11 folder. For more efficient, fluff-free Windows 11 tutorials and productivity hacks, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. Open the folder that contains your videos and select all the files you want to measure. You can drag your mouse over them or simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything instantly. Next, right-click on any of the selected files and choose Properties. When the Properties window opens, click the Details tab at the top. Scroll until you find the Video section, then look for Length. Boom! Right there, Windows automatically calculates and displays the combined total duration of all the selected videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.